What's happening, y'all? It's your boy Dominoes 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to Dominoes 7's Facebook Live. And today is your boy Dominoes 7's 38th birthday! Yep. It's my 38th birthday, you know? Yeah. I've done the YouTube Live already, but I'm glad to do this on Facebook Live. Okay? Yep, and it's eventually gonna go on YouTube as well, but not my Instagram Live. Okay. All right. So anyway, y'all, I'm doing good, y'all. I'm very happy to see another year. God bless me to see another year. Well, I want to tell y'all, only a few of my people is coming over. I'm gonna have an Oreo ice cream cake. We have some pizza and some chicken and stuff like that. You know. Yeah, that's all to it, you know. Yep. I'm totally happy to still be alive today. Okay. All right. I mean, so today I'm not gonna do no gameplays today. You know, gotta cut the light off it now. Okay. So I'm not gonna do no gameplays today. You know. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a little something. I wish I would have got that can of gumbo, you know. All right. Yeah, the city people is doing with cutting grass and everything. Yeah, everybody working good today, you know. Long as people is happy out here, you know. All right, so I must say, y'all, I'm so happy to see another year. You know, God is good all the time, and you know. My best friend Shamika, she wished me a happy birthday. Thank you, Shamika. I love you. Okay? Love you, Shamika. Okay? Love your children a lot like they're my own, you know? Yep. Yeah, I'm totally happy to see another year. You know what I'm saying? I'm totally happy to see another year. You know, God bless me to see another year and stuff like that, you know? Yeah. Okay? Oh, what's going on? I'm watching the Fairly Odd Parents. Fairly Odd Parents. Yep. All right. So, all right, about to get on my computer, do my my vlog, you know. Get out of the shot, Dinkelberg. All right, there we go. All right, so I'm gonna say, y'all. I mean, I'm so happy to see another year, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, it is a true blessing. God is good all the time. You know, always count your blessing. Okay, you know, remember, God bless you to see another year. So some people just evil and miserable with their lives and stuff like that. Cause you know, I don't have a girlfriend. You know, I'm happy, bro. You know. Yeah, it's my birthday. I'm happy because God blessed me to see another year. You know. All right. So did this go eventually go on YouTube? You know. Yeah. Yep. Oh my friend Jeree. Hey Jeree. You know. So she's oh, thank you, Jeree. Okay. I Well, anyway, y'all, my friend Jeree done wish me a happy birthday. I kind of wonder how my friend Shardell is doing. I sure miss her though. Shardell, Tanya. Yeah, but like I said, you know, I want to tell y'all, Tanya is the one that told me I was gonna be successful in life. She said I was gonna make it. You know. Yep. Yep, that's what she told me. And guess what? She was the first supporter of my show, you know. And I'm still doing my show till this day, you know. So, stupid movie. All right, so I want to say thank you all in advance for the birthday wishes. Thank you in advance for the birthday wishes. Thank you, period, for the birthday wishes, you know. All right, so I mean, hopefully I'm gonna get out of Orleans Parish, go to Metairie and stuff like that. Invite some of you people, the people that's positive, you know. All right, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for watching. All right, and anybody's birthday that's today, happy birthday to you too. Oh, and I don't want to forget to wish my friend Sue Crawford a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sue. Today's her birthday too, you know. But before I go, I want to say this. I don't know what Sue gonna do to me, but if me and Sue was together, me and her would have been celebrating our birthday together. But wait a minute. Just because we not in a relationship with each other, that do not mean that we can't celebrate our birthday together. We can still celebrate our birthday together, whether we're in a relationship or not. You know? Uh-huh. All right. Brittany, if you're going to watch my show, it's my birthday, okay? All right, bestie, okay? Bianca, don't forget it's my birthday, okay? All right, thank y'all for watching, all right? God bless.